I used to think that the answer was more mindset, more discipline, more goals, and it worked until it did, because I realized something uncomfortable. You can be ambitious and still be dysregulated. You can be successful and still be internally unstable, and no amount of mindset coaching fixes a nervous system that never turns off. So I stopped looking for more information and I trained something more fundamental: my ability to stay steady. Vipassana gave me the method, nature gave me the mirror, strength training gave me embodiment, and my work in tech and leadership showed me the cost of reactivity. That combination became WarriorX, a dharmic leadership system, a protocol, a movement built from silence, truth, identity, resilience, and clarity, not to escape life, but to meet it cleanly.